Just want to tune you in because I'm back from the city, and I got my car started. Got a little video, a small clip because it's nighttime. Nine months. Early morning, about the first one here. Just opened up the shop doors. Looking into installing my radiator, condenser, core support, got the fans. We'll need a new battery eventually, but for now, let's just get it. This is the bypass that I made, or Mike made for me. A little 10 amp fuse or 15 amp fuse. Just so y'all know, this is a random hood. This isn't the ultimate hood. I just put it on there so it wouldn't keep getting all my crap wet. But I got my radiator installed. It's looking more and more like a vehicle. Got the fans in there. I still got the bypass and the fuse box. I have yet to buy a brand new IPDM. The tape was a little smashed, but it still does a job. It's pretty much done. It's just all cosmetics by Fender. And the whole back seat was full of water. So I removed the carpeting and took off both seats to get the carpet out. Had to unbolt all this stuff and take that out too to get the carpet out. But it's nothing major. I'm gonna do a water test maybe on Monday. As for right now, I'm just gonna try and clean it up and see what goes from there. So pretty much what's going on is that there was a water leak somewhere coming from either the window or the sunroof, which now I found. It's coming from the sunroof, which most cases it does. Blew some air in there, blew some air in and then tomorrow I'm gonna go to work to just pretty much install the carpet and put everything back in. Hopefully it rains so that, you know, I could be for sure that I got rid of the leak. Yeah, like I was saying, I just want to fill you all in, do a little quick update real quick.